कभी सोचा है कि जिन्होंने आपको मैथ्स के थ्योरम सिखाए थे उनको 2+2 4 किसने सिखाया होगा, या फिर जो आपको साइंस पढ़ाते थे उनको केमिकल इक्वेशंस कौन समझाता था। आज कुछ ऐसी ही बात करेंगे। मिलते हैं मेरे गुरु के गुरु से।
Hi Rushali, I start with my salute to the gurus of the world who enlightened us. Talking about the absence of technology and social media in our time was actually a boon for us, so that we were not distracted, we were focused, and we followed whatever our teachers taught us. About the inspiration I have, I remember Mrs. Anandamani, who was my maths teacher in class 9. She used to give a remark good for the first 5 students who finishes the problem in the class. The enthusiasm was so great that my interest in the maths was fueled, and I ended up pursuing my career as a maths teacher. And to add that, you all my students have taught me many valuable lessons, so you are also my teachers for them. Salute to all of you. Thank you.
मॉर्निंग वैशाली, थैंक्स फॉर इनवाइटिंग। वैशाली, अगर मैं आज अपने गुरु की बात करूं तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिवेट हुआ जब मेरे मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर्स लेने के लिए हमारे स्कूल के अंदर 10th स्टैंडर्ड में एक मेजर जनरल ए वी नातू सर आते थे। उनकी बातों से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेट हुआ और मैंने उनकी बातें सुन के फौज ज्वाइन की। उसके बाद फौज के अंदर मुझे सबसे तगड़े गुरु मिले। उनका नाम है कर्नल संतोष नोबन सर, जिन्होंने मुझे ना सिर्फ फौज के अंदर लड़ना सिखाया, जीना भी सिखाया, और फौज के बाद जब बाहर जाते हो तो किस तरीके से अपने आप को बनाए रखना है, ये भी मैं उनसे ही सीखा। आज मेरे तीसरे गुरु हैं फादर जेम्स, जिनकी वजह से मैं इस सिविल महकमे में खड़ा हो पाया, जिनके सपोर्ट से मैं आज इस स्कूल जैसे सेक्टर्स को के साथ काम कर पा रहा हूँ। ये मैंने सीखा। इन तीनों गुरुओं को मैं तहे दिल से सैल्यूट करता हूँ। थैंक यू।
My name is Indira, a teacher living in Hyderabad. According to me, all those teachers who taught me in primary class, secondary, higher secondary and in college level contributed a lot to build up my career. I, being a science teacher, would like to share about my science teacher, Mr. Rajaram, who inspired me. The skills required in teaching learning science, like neat, perfectly labeled diagram, solving scientific problems, writing units, and observing, identifying, and applying the scientific facts, which I incurred from him, now I pass it to my students. In 80s, teaching is like writing on a clean slate. Nowadays, the teachers have to update themselves with the latest technologies. So, who dares to teach ceases to learn. So, I am not a teacher, but I am a senior student helping my juniors. Thank you.
I think growing up, I had the privilege of many teachers who were really talented, very hardworking, so many that could spin stories and keep us all captivated as students. Others would have these witty one-liners and have the whole class all excited the moment they walked in. But the one that really got everyone excited was this nun by the name of Sister Isabel. She migrated to Bhavnagar from a country called Spain, and she came there as a missionary and never went back. She stayed on to teach. So the most exciting thing about Sister Isabel, she was only 5 feet, so she was she should easily get lost among the students because most students were taller than her anyway, and she'd be teaching us teenagers. And the thing about Sister Isabel was, she was a migrant, so English was not even her first language, but she ended up teaching us English. So it was a fight against all odds, but her spirit, her grit, her demeanor, her enthusiasm always had this persona cast this persona among all of us. So the moment she walked in, and we would be looking forward to being taught by her. She couldn't speak the local language or anything, but the reality with her was that she was always smiling. She never took any nonsense. So if you were, and I guess a lot of us actually behaved ourselves as well when Sister Isabel was teaching. So it's one of those things, I think, with all teachers, really. They they're all leaders. I think all of them, when they go to school each morning, they all want to be efficient, and I think that bit hasn't changed throughout. And that's one of those things, I think, that I really salute all my teachers. I think most of them, even the ones that had to teach the most boring of subjects, and I still seem to think, they tried so hard to do such a remarkable job. So yeah, hats off, salute to all you teachers. Guru ke Guru.
Namaskar. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my teachers, gurus who helped me, motivated me, inspired me throughout my life. Thank you, Nandalal sir, Peter sir, Father Joy Peter. आप लोग मेरे इंस्पिरेशन है, मोटिवेटर हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे भी एक शिक्षक टीचर बनने की प्रेरणा दी। मैं आप लोगों जैसा एक महान टीचर तो नहीं, लेकिन आपके पद चिन्हों पर चलने की जरूर कोशिश करता हूँ। समाज के इस महान कार्य को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मुझे आशीर्वाद दीजिए कि मैं एक निष्ठापूर्वक इस कार्य को सफल बना सकूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।